This morning, we're following a deadly crash on I-70. The family of Daniel Walker continues to mourn his death. He's from Kentucky, works construction, and he was killed yesterday.
Yeah, this happened Sunday morning after a dump truck hit the right side of a semi. Now, the 18-wheeler crashed into a barrier wall where Walker was working, killing him. Amber Watson is near that construction zone off I-70. She tells us how this crash is a reminder of what can happen if you don't pay attention in a construction zone. Amber?
Good morning, and this morning drivers are being reminded to slow down and pay extra attention when driving through a construction zone. And I'm right off of North Main near I-70, and this is the exit close to where that fatal crash happened on Sunday. And after Sunday's crash, this section of I-70 was shut down for nearly 9 hours to clean up. And investigators say that Sunday's crash involved a driver leaving the construction zone. Daniel Walker was killed in the accident and leaves behind his wife and children. Now, according to the Highway Administration, the leading cause of highway construction injuries involves contact with construction vehicles and other equipment. Now, reports show that every month 23 highway workers are killed on the job.
It's never good when something like that happens, so I just, all you can do is pray for the family.
Now, Daniel Walker was 43 and lived in Kentucky, and ODOT has several construction projects going on right now, and here's a look at some of the areas where you will need to slow down. Now, the first is on I-75 from 3rd Street to Main Street in downtown Dayton. In Greene County, crews are working to resurface the roads on I-675 between Grange Hall Road and State Route 235, and finally I-70 between Airport Access Road and State Route 48. So as you do head out the door this morning, just be sure to give yourself plenty of time so that you can slow down in those construction zones. And coming up in the next half hour, I'll tell you what else drivers need to keep in mind to make sure they get to work safely this morning. For now, reporting live in Inglewood, Amber Watson, ABC 22 News.